Oh, good morning, Miss Lumpkins. Why, good morning, Luke. Today, a new student is having today. Well, actually, not really. Hey, Luke. Yes, teacher. I need you to stand guard for anything. Okay. So what's happening, Miss Lumpkins? Something that is happening is that's gonna make it super tornado-y. What? You mean there's a tornado coming? Yes.
Did you do that? Did they go through the tolls? Yes.
Well,
you did go through the tolls.
today.
And were they tolls where they just
Oh
take
my
pictures of
goodness.
your car?
Yes, it is. Look.
You didn't have any money
Jimmy, look.
with New York or
See
Connecticut
this?
in order
Look.
to those tolls.
The tornado is on its way already. Really? Yeah. Look, it's really close to us. We better stand guard. Everyone, get downstairs in the basement. There's a secret entrance down here. Where are you going, teacher?
I didn't have the money. Did you have the
Luke, follow me.
No, ma'am, I didn't. So you were starving for how many?
Teacher, where are we? Why do you ask, Luke? This is our shelter. See, Luke, look. This is our tornado shelter. It's got a fan light for a ceiling, and now we could have shelter down here. Hey, teacher, did the lunch lady move down here too? Yes. All the classes moved down here. Really? Yeah. Look out, it's on its way. Take cover. Wow, that's a hard storm. Oh, I think it went past us. Guys. We're safe. Come on, let's go.
I'm not ordering you to pay those. If you're supposed to pay those, the judge of the Supreme Court will order you to pay those, execute a judgment.
All right, class, we're restarting. Oh yeah, I'd love to restart.